I trust Penrite because I know I'm going to get the correct oil for the correct job from a good rep. Visits regularly, often brings a few sausage rolls. Kelvin Baxter, and I'm the Managing Director of Kelvin Baxter Transport. I still take quite an active role in the business. We have freight customers all over the eastern seaboard, and so I move around a bit. Pleased to be here and have you Penrite on board as part of our operation. As you may realise, we do farming as well as transport, and there's opportunities to market our own produce and give people good service, and that went further than just our own grain. That's a small part of the operation now.
My brother and I pretty much do the farming, and Dad does the trucking, so grain growers, wheat, canola, barley, maize and cotton, predominantly grain.
We have the pleasure of being involved with many of the world's biggest grain traders as our customers. We have some great partnerships, and this is just one of them with Penrite. The farming started in 1923 when my grandfather bought original home property here, and it's grown over years, and it's a quite substantial enterprise now. And I think the best thing about it is it's been a family business all the way through.
About 35,000 acres spread around Berrigan Drillery area. Look, it's been in the family for a lot of years, and we're certainly passionate farmers and transporters, I suppose.
To work with families is one of the pleasures of life. What is it, 5th generation? Oh, the challenges are plenty. Really, it is all about people, getting good staff, good company reps even. It's all about partnerships, family. Customers are attracted to personal service.
Oil and keeping machines going, whether they're tractors or stationary pumps, which we use a lot of. Reliability is everything. You don't want them breaking down in the middle of a corn crop in the hot weather. You want to get your crop sown on time, and oil is a very important part of making sure that happens. Penrite's a quality product. Since we've been 100% Penrite, the grease is fantastic. We've been to multiple grease suppliers, and Penrite has a grease for everything we need, and it really works. The oil, I would say the same. It's quality product. We're getting really good engine life, reliability, and on top of that, there's every product you need. So Penrite are a one-stop shop for us.
Penrite come up with the goods, and it's both customer service and a product to do whatever we need. Farming, transport, even some of my old vehicles that I collect, right down to my outboard motor, Penrite have got an oil, and they've got a service for it, and that does mean a lot. You know, we're out in the country here, and I thoroughly recommend it. In oils, the naked eye, you can't tell whether you're getting good oil or not, but we're having a great run with the Penrite oil. Some of our service intervals have gone out a bit further. We used to service at 20,000, 25, 30, now we're out to 40. And we're getting reliability that we need. Penrite are part of that success.
They are a quality product, and on top of that, we're all passionate Melbourne supporters here, and they are major sponsor of the Demons, and they also look after our local footy club, Berrigan. They sponsor the footy club, which I think is fantastic, to get behind football clubs, whether they're big or small, and do what they can to help. I'd like to thank Penrite for that.